Redneck Rich coming at you again.
Today I realized people at car shows are dedicated, hardworking, and passionate. Great crowd to hang out with. It's a great place to make friends, build connections with good people that'll help you chase those Redneck Rich dreams. All right, let's check it out.
Time to unload. Let's give her a tug. 30 amp fuse, and I don't know. Does that look good to you?
Ready for the show in no time.
What a beauty. Yeah, good Jag. Oh yeah, 442. Look at that.
Dad's car.
The radiator cap's got a temperature gauge built into it, so you can know when it's okay to pop the radiator.
Nova.
No.
Look at this pretty little number. Yeah, she's a beaut.
Dan
Oh, he did. It's the hillbilly edition.
Hey, where'd this boat come from?